Hello everyone. This will be a very important reading for you because whenever you are watching this video, these messages are going to be very important because the time when I'm recording this video, it's a new moon energy that is kicking in, and this new moon is particularly arriving in Aries zodiac sign. Okay, as you all know that we are already entered this year is a horse energy, right? A fire energy, fire passionate again. And this new moon is entering in a Aries sign, that is again the fire energy, so you will feel energetically a very passionate in terms. See, I was talking about passion, and before even shuffling the cards, we have a passion. The cards already suggesting passion. Now, with the passion, let me clear or clarify you one more thing that is very important for you. See, whenever we talk about the passion or the fire energy, we always get confused the fire energy or the fire with love or the passion or the kind of excitement. But with the excitement, the fire energy always comes with explosion. Okay, you try to understand fire is a element which not only gives the heat, or you can say not only warms you when you are very cold, okay, when you're feeling very cold, but it also, fire is a kind of symbol that actually also burns each and everything around them. Okay, so this kind of particular energy you will be feeling right now, as in there will be no doubt, of course we will see from the cards also, but you will also having these anxiety, or the some sort of sadness will be kicking in your nature, and even you also don't know why you are feeling sad or anxious all of a sudden, every area of your life, be that career, be that your love life or personal life. Okay, so let's see why this energy is the energies that you are feeling, why you are feeling in a certain way, or what exactly doors are opening for you, and what you will going to manifest, or what energies you are going to um, have in coming near future. So let's see. I want each and every one of you just claim your energies, because of course karma is real. So try to connect your energies with these cards. Okay, and this is the kind of introduction that I wanted to give you. So let's see what you are manifesting, or what exactly is going to happen in your current reality. I'm having a two cards. Oh my god. The first card is a tower moment, and the second is 10 of swords. So, my beautiful people, a major transformation is happening in your life right now. See, I was talking about the new moon. New moon itself is a kind of a time where you new moon is a kind of time or kind of phase where you intentionally put your intentions out, whatever you want. Okay, you manifest. New moon is a time where you manifest, where you intentionally manifest things in your life first. Second, with the fire energy itself, this is a kind of a major fiery transformation that is happening in your life right now. This transformation is going to lead you towards a very towards this transformation is a kind of transformation where your old self is actually being deleted, or you can say there is a death of your old self, the people or the person you were before this new moon, or the people or the person people the people around you used to know you. You are no longer going to be that person, same person anymore. because something in your nature, and this is exactly you are actually feeling right now, or maybe you are having these thoughts of the change, and this is not a kind of change where this is not a temporary change, a massive shift, massive changes. You are going to make a massive changes in your life, related, especially related to your, actually this is overall in general, overall changes are happening, but especially in terms of your career and your love life. Let me tell you, regarding your career, I can see bottom of the deck I have five of pentacles. So there will be some sort of, in the past also, you had a very, you had a very massive shift in your finances, where people actually try to make your finances, you lose your money. Okay, there may be a loan, or maybe I don't know, there is some sort of loss that you have faced lately in your finances, a loss of job, a loss of business, or maybe general loss of money due to some health issue, or maybe there was some family member who were ill and you have to pay some, money, your savings to them. So there's this kind of loss that you have faced in your past. Okay, and this is not a very very long ago, this is a very recent energy, maybe between 1.5 year energy. Okay, so now what exactly is happening at this point of time, as your life is shifting, you are changing, you are getting into a massive transformation. So your transformation will going to happen with your finances first. First you will have to focus more into your finances, likely your business or maybe your job, whatever you do for the living, right? And you have to be in a leadership position right now. Earlier, you know what exactly happened earlier in your life, no doubt you have these leadership qualities in you, right? And with these leadership qualities, you are a kind of person, this is a very strong number one sign numerologically. You can be number one, like number, you born on any date, or maybe 1, 10, 19, 28. Okay, you can be Leo, a very strong Leo placement in your birth chart, or maybe you're born in August. Okay, anyways, you have a very strong leadership qualities, but earlier, what exactly happened due to these financial losses, you yourself actually doubting your abilities, you yourself doubting your rational thinking, or maybe the decision making skills, because you thought that because you lose this huge amount, and this is a very huge amount of money. Okay, you lose this huge amount of money, so there was some sort of insecurity, or maybe doubt. You were actually doubting your abilities regarding to your finances, or maybe your leadership quality, right? So this transformation, because I'm telling you, this old self of yours, there's a, this is a kind of a death of your old self. Okay, just try to understand this thing. And with, when your old self is being dead, or maybe there's this renewal of new being of you. Okay, so the hidden qualities, or the qualities that you were insecure about, or maybe the qualities that you were doubting about yourself, is going to come on the surface level now, and automatically. You don't have to do anything. Okay, you don't have to do anything, it will automatically going to come out in you, and people will see you and they will be shocked by seeing you this huge transformation. They see, they will be I told you guys, a huge transformation is happening. Okay, I told you, strong leadership is there, and it will start from your finances, your career. Now you are going to take a big bold moves, especially in your career. Okay, in your career, you're going to make a big bold moves. If you are a working professional, if you, or first of all, this is for the people who are doing job, okay. Now you will see a massive promotions, okay, or maybe now this promotion is likely to be, doors are not opening for you, but you are building, or you yourself is opening door for yourself. You understand me what I'm trying to tell you? Okay. And if you have your own business, if you do your own business, or okay, you're an entrepreneur or something like that, so this is a kind of a huge risk taking ability. Now you are taking a risk in your, for your career, for your business, that you wanted to do this for the longest period of time, but you were avoiding to take this risk because of, again, insecurity, or maybe uncertainty, right? So people will going to see you as a confident person, or a confident person who is not afraid to make bold moves when it comes to money, or when it comes to business, right? And with that, people will going to offer you their hand, or maybe you can say people, okay. Now let me tell you one more thing. With six of cups, there's this mixed energy that I'm getting. First of all, the people who were trying to steal your position, who were trying to defame you, who were trying to, belittle you earlier, now they will also try to come to you forward, okay, and try to help you, or maybe they will try to, you know, do some, they will try to help you to gain your trust again. Why they are doing this? Because you are attaining a position over here, not only in terms of money, you are actually becoming a pretty very good individual in general, right? So people want to be around you, people want to be around you at this particular moment. So the old energy, old friend, old people, okay, who were not there for you when you always needed them, but now they are coming to offer you their hand, or maybe the help. Okay, so this is first energy. And the second energy, universe is actually try to show you, or maybe universe is actually try to bring people closer to you, that is actually good for you, or maybe that is actually you want at this particular right time. So try to understand, this is a kind of energy where you are not exactly, um, this is a kind of energy where the transformation is happening, where your old self is being dead, but your new self is about to be born. So there's this middle phase you are in between, okay. So due to this, when your old self is being dead, you will feel the past energies, past pain, traumas, okay. Maybe you will miss some people, okay, because of course, you are not used to this energy, right? So there's this middle phase, middle thing that is going on. And with that, universe wants to tell you that, have faith in yourself, okay. Things are finally working out in your favor. So if you are feeling a little bit sad, or maybe anxious, or there's this sudden wave of sadness, where, or maybe a flashback from your past, or there will be some past people also try to reconnect with you, okay. So this is all because of, universe wants you to just clear your debts, okay. the, there's this one last meeting theory. So there's this one last meeting that you will going to meet with those people before being your new self born, okay. So this is something very beautiful is actually happening in your life, and you are kind of prepared, but not exactly prepared, like you're mentally prepared for it already, but there's this deep down subconscious habits that actually you are not feeling very safe, but you will get used to it, right? So claim this energy. This is such a beautiful energy. I hope you wish you a very happy journey. Bye bye.